So coming up, we have our next question asking us what are multiplicative inverse property. Okay, so let's copy that down. Multiplicative inverse property. Okay, so this property states that the product of a number and its multiplicative inverse will always equal to 1. So let's write that down. So product of a number and its multiplicative inverse will always equal to 1. Okay, so that is the definition of this property, and we can also represent this by using A and B. So let's say if B is a multiplicative inverse of A, then we will have A times B is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, and coming up, if we want to determine the multiplicative inverse of a certain number, we just need to take its reciprocal. Okay, determine, just need reciprocal. Okay, so let's recall what reciprocal is. So the reciprocal of A is just 1 over A. Okay, and the reciprocal, let's say 3, is just 1 over 3. And reciprocal 4 is just 1 over 4. Okay, so this means the multiplicative inverse of A is B, which is equal to 1 over A. Okay, and yeah, so let's try with the example. So we have 5, and the reciprocal of 5 is just 1 over 5. So 5 times 1 over 5, this is going to be equal to 1. Okay, so which means 1 over 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5. And same thing, if we have a negative 3 over 5 times negative 5 over 3, this is also going to be equal to 1, where negative 5 over 3 is the reciprocal of negative 3 over 5. Okay, and so this also means that negative 5 over 3 is a multiplicative inverse of negative 3 over 5. Okay, let me just write this down here. So is the multiplicative inverse of root 3 over 5. Okay. Okay, so now let's leave a comment there. Solution is correct. Well done.